So today I'm going to be going through a diminished chord exercise, and this one's going to be pretty neat because it's going to allow us to practice our inversions of our diminished chords, not just the 3-fret trick that I've talked about before, but also just kind of going to different shapes. And it's also going to be great just to get our fingers used to, these different kind of chord formations. And it's a great exercise. I recommend chord exercises just as much as scale exercises. All right, so first what we're going to do is this example is going to be in the key of G. And just like I just alluded to before, is that G, this diminished chord shape, if I move it up by 3 frets, it becomes kind of an inversion of itself. So all those same notes that I played here on the 3rd fret with my second finger on the 3rd fret, those same notes exist kind of just on different strings, 3 frets up, and same things with 3 frets up and 3 frets up again. So with all of these chord shapes, you can also move them up that way as well. So first, let's talk about it. The shapes, that is. So my second finger is going to go on the 6th string, 3rd fret. My pinky is going to go on the 5th string, 4th fret. My first finger is going to go on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And my third finger is going to go on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. Diminished chords are inherently kind of almost cringy and uneasy in a way. So that is going to be our 6th string root. Now, like I just said, when we move it up 3 frets, 3 frets, 3 frets, they kind of all get inverted there. So I do like to call these by their root as the lowest notes, just as a way to kind of keep things organized. So now my next shape is going to be my 4th string roots. So this is going to be my first finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. My third finger is going to be on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. My second finger is going to be on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and my pinky is going to be on the 3rd fret, 1st string. Just like before, move this up by 3. Kind of all becomes inversions of each other. So I have my 6th string to my 4th string root, and then I have my 5th string root, which is going to be my second finger on the 4th string, 5th fret. My first finger is going to be on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. My third finger is going to be on the 4th string, 5th fret, and my pinky is going to be on the 2nd string, 5th fret. So there we go. 6th string, then 4th string, then 5th string, and then I have my my last inversion here, my last chord formation as well is going to be my first finger on the 5th fret, 4th string, my third finger on the 6th fret, 3rd string, my second finger on the 2nd string, 5th fret, and my pinky on the 1st string, 6th fret. So there's our first 4 kind of chord groupings. Now the next couple are going to be the exact same chord. In fact, every chord that I played at the beginning and that I'm playing now are all the same notes, just within different inversions. So the same notes are just in different places in the chord. And the next kind of 4 chord grouping I'm going to have is going to be with my 6th string root note shape on the 6th string, 6th fret. My 4th string root note is going to be on the 5th fret on the 4th string, 7th fret on the 5th string root, and then 8th fret on the 4th string root. And then my 3rd chord grouping is going to be my 2nd finger on the 6th string shape on the 6th string, 9th fret, my 1st finger on the 8th fret on the 4th string for that next root. My 2nd finger is going to be on the 5th string, 10th fret, and then my 1st finger is going to be on the 4th string, 11th fret, and then I'm going to go to my 12th fret for my 6th string root again. So that's going to give us all the same diminished chords. And you can keep on going if you want it. I tend to run out of frets way up here. So like I said, just kind of a cool little exercise to get our fingers moving and to get these inversions under our belt in a couple different ways, both, those 3 frets and also just the same chord formations or different chord formations for the same chord. If you liked this video, I have plenty others. Be sure to check out my website, here'sguitarlessons.com, and also don't forget to like, subscribe, and ask any questions or write any comments in the comments below. Thank you so much.